I just had a discussion with my client about the fulfillment in life, and I thought I would share it with you. Wow, strawberries. It seems like I'm not fulfilled. Okay. We all want to find fulfillment in life. This is one of our basic human needs. But how do we find fulfillment in life? Well, the clue lies in the word fulfillment itself. You need to feel full to find fulfillment in life. Just like you feel full when you eat something and you are not hungry anymore. But if you are hungry, you don't feel full. In the same way, if you are hungry in life, you don't find fulfillment. If your life is all about wanting more and needing more, then you cannot find fulfillment. Now, don't get me wrong, I don't mean to say that you should not make an effort to make your life better, but you need to have a balance between what you want and what you can offer to the world. And fulfillment lies in offering things to the world. So what are you going to offer to the world? Don't tell me you don't have gifts, because we all have gifts. It's a different thing that we have forgotten the gift because society has raised it in such a way that, we are raised in a way that we are supposed to be, again, wanting and needing things all the time. But there comes a point in time in life where you should rediscover, in case you have forgotten, you should rediscover the gifts that you have. And once you discover the gifts that you have, then what you do? Then you share those gifts to the world. It doesn't have to be something big. It could be a smile, or to help somebody see the beauty and wonder in their life. I don't know. You have to find out what those gifts are. But unless you find those gifts and share those gifts with the world, you will not find fulfillment. Because fulfillment doesn't lie in wanting and needing all the time. And unfortunately, that's what many of us are doing. Because in the social and economic system in which we live, dissatisfaction is default. Because imagine if a new iPhone comes and nobody buys, what will happen to our economic system? So the system in which we live makes you feel that you don't have enough and you are never enough. If you live in that mode, it would be hard to find fulfillment, to be honest. I don't know. Because I feel that fulfillment is all about finding the gifts and sharing the gift to the world and finding your purpose in that. And that's the recipe for fulfillment.